There's some stuff in the background. I've done separate videos for those. You can watch those if you like. Please subscribe if you haven't already. This is another thing I ordered for my balcony garden during lockdown, just to decorate it a bit, and just some little tools. This is a scoop. I've got a shovel, but all the soil falls everywhere, and I've got to keep sweeping it up. So what I've done is I've ordered this scoop. It's made by Lechuza. It's a nice, I think, I don't know what type of plastic that is, but it's got a bit of flex. Is it ABS? Is it polypropylene? Who knows? But it's a good quality. It seems like it will last ages. You could probably hand it down to your children or something. It was £5 from Amazon. Did have a £5 delivery, but did arrive quite quickly even during lockdown. Yeah, so I'm going to scoop up compost and pour it into pots without making too much of a mess. Yeah, good sturdy item. Have a look at the videos if you're interested in those, and please subscribe. Thank you.